Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni dating Commissioner Greco Bilhica. Sabi niya, sharing what is going the rounds of Ateneo groups. Wow, salamat. At nagsasalita na ang taga Ateneo. Nagising na sila sa katotohanan. Open letter to the President and the honorable members of the Senate and the House of Representatives. Mga ginoo at ginang ng gobyerno. Makinig kayo. Yung mga nasa gobyerno, para sa inyo ito. Lalo na mga honorables. Lalo na kayong taga Malacanang. Enough of the polite lies. This letter is not wrapped in diplomacy because you no longer deserve it. This is anger in ink, disgust in words, a mirror of the nation's fury you pretend not to see. Each of you swore an oath, not to yourselves, not to your dynasties, but to the people. Yet what have you delivered? Endless committee hearings that go nowhere, speeches bloated with hot air, budgets swallowed whole by ghost projects and cronies. You strut like statesmen, but you crow like parasites. You treat government not as a sacred duty, but as your personal ATM. Ganda ng pagkasula. Sapol na sapol, bullseye. Kayong taga-palasyo, Senado at Kongreso, makinig kayo dito. Look at Nepal, look at Indonesia. Do you think their governments ever imagined their palaces shaking from the feast from their own people? They too believed they were untouchable, that their greed could drown out the roar of the streets. But rage, once ignored, becomes revolution. Hindi ninyo kayang takasan ang galit ng taong bayan. And here, floods swallowing communities, hospital starved of supplies, classroom crumbling, farmers buried in debt, workers gasping under the weight of skyrocketing prices. Yet, you bicker over pork, positions, and contracts. Every motorcade of black SUVs you ride in is a slap in the face of millions, forced to commute like sardines. Every peso stolen is food stolen from the mouth of children. Mr. President, senators, representatives, you are sitting on a volcano. Every day you stole, every peso you pocket, every law you twist for your own gain. You feed the fire beneath you. Do not mistake Filipino patience for weakness. Hindi kami hangal. The day will come when no convoy, no palace walls, no title before your name will save you from the wrath of those you betrayed. Do your mandated work and do it now. Not for applause, not for legacy, but because you have led this nation long enough. Restore decency, protect the treasury, legislate for the people or step aside before you are swept aside. This is not just a warning. This is prophecy written in the streets of Kathmandu, shouted in the streets of Jakarta, and whispered in every angry Filipino heart. Learn from Nepal, listen from Indonesia, or prepare to be remembered not as leaders, but as the carcasses of a corrupt empire finally torn down. Signed, the Filipino people you mock, rob, and underestimate. Oh, salamat po, taga Ateneo, yung sumulat nito. Damandama ko yung kanyang yung galit, frustration. Yeah, this letter captures the heart of many Filipinos na feeling helpless na parang wala nang nangyayari, hindi tayo pinapakinggan. But don't worry mga kaibigan, God is in control. Basa lang ako sa mga comments. Star Villena, thank you Ateneo Group for standing up for the Filipino people. Kahabag-habag talaga ang ating bayan. Marco Juan, sana ito yung Ateneo Group na walang kinikilingang kulay. Basta anti-corruption and good governance. Yes. Roberto Dominguez, for the 9th time, let me elucidate this resolution. The Filipino people shall reinvent government. For the time being, abolish Congress and their huge funds. Okay. Marcelino Santo Tomas, that's what we expect from the men for all seasons. Ateneo Group will fly the sky like eagles and they will soar with wisdom in their minds if they honestly fight for righteousness and godly intentions for their fellow men. Kati Kalunsag, go, go, go for unity. Corruption will not end without our effort to fight the crocodiles. Ano ngayon ang masasabi nyo? Taga Palasyo, Anticlair, pakisagot ko no ito. Senator Soto, Speaker Boji D, Congressman, and many others. Kasi, open letter to the President, Senate, and Congressmen. Akala nyo siguro, hanggang forever na kayo sa posisyon na no way. Darating din ang panahon, mawawala kayo sa posisyon at ano ang legacy ninyo? Yung limpak-limpak na salapi na kung saan nanggagaling na nasa inyo, anong magagawa niya yan? May maalala kong verse sa Bible. What gain do you have? Even if you have all the wealth in the world and lose your soul. Lahat tayo mamamatay. Malala ko tuloy yung meaning ng death na itinuro ng aming military bishop noon. D-E-A-T-H. Departing eternally, abandoning all to either heaven or hell, yung H. Abandoning all. Madadala nyo ba ang inyong bilyones sa inyong libingan? Nako, umanda kayo. Makalusot kayo sa mata ng tao, sa hustisya ng tao, but hindi kayo makakalusot sa buhay na Diyos. Haharap kayo sa judgment seat of God someday. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin ninyo ang video na ito.
Karon mag-atop na gyud sa balay ni Ante.